Tokyo, Japan Travel Guide. Welcome to Tokyo, a city where ancient traditions and futuristic visions blend seamlessly. Today, we're embarking on a journey through time and space, exploring the heart of Japan's capital. So, buckle up, fellow travelers, and let's dive into the vibrant world of Tokyo. Once known as Edo, Tokyo has evolved from a small fishing village to one of the world's most populous and dynamic cities. The Edo period marked the beginning of its transformation, as the Tokugawa shogunate established it as their power base in the early 17th century. Imagine strolling through narrow streets lined with wooden houses, the air filled with the sounds of merchants and samurai. Fast forward to today, and you can still feel the echoes of the past. Visit Sensoji Temple in Asakusa, Tokyo's oldest temple, where the scent of incense and the sight of traditional lanterns transport you back in time. Or step into the serene Meiji Shrine, an oasis of peace amidst the urban hustle, dedicated to Emperor Meiji and Empress Shoken. But Tokyo isn't just a city of history, it's a beacon of modernity. Take a walk through Shibuya Crossing, the world's busiest pedestrian crossing, where hundreds of people surge across the intersection like a choreographed dance. Marvel at the Tokyo Tower, inspired by Paris's Eiffel Tower, offering panoramic views of the sprawling metropolis. In the district of Akihabara, immerse yourself in the latest technology and pop culture. Here, you'll find everything from cutting-edge gadgets to anime and manga shops. For a taste of the future, don't miss the robot restaurants and AI-powered experiences that showcase Tokyo's innovation and creativity. Tokyo is a paradise for food lovers. Start your day with a visit to Tsukiji Outer Market, where you can savor fresh sushi and seafood delicacies. For lunch, slurp up some hearty ramen at one of the many renowned ramen shops. And in the evening, explore the bustling streets of Shinjuku and Shibuya, filled with izakayas and street food stalls offering everything from yakitori to takoyaki. If you're looking for something unique, Tokyo has it all. Experience the art of kaiseki, a multi-course Japanese meal that is as much about presentation as it is about taste. Or visit one of the city's themed cafes, where you can dine with cats, owls, or even in a setting inspired by your favorite anime. Tips for travelers. Before we wrap up, here are some tips to make your Tokyo adventure unforgettable. 1. Navigating the city. Tokyo's public transportation system is efficient and easy to use. Get a Suica or Pasmo card for seamless travel on trains and buses. 2. Language. While many locals speak some English, learning a few basic Japanese phrases can go a long way. A simple arigato, thank you, or sumimasen, excuse me, will be greatly appreciated. 3. Accommodation. Consider staying in a ryokan for a traditional Japanese experience, or opt for a modern hotel in central districts like Shinjuku or Shibuya. 4. Cultural etiquette. Be mindful of local customs, such as bowing as a greeting and removing your shoes when entering someone's home or certain establishments. 5. Safety. Tokyo is one of the safest cities in the world, but it's always good to stay alert and aware of your surroundings. Tokyo is a city that never sleeps, a place where the past, present, and future coexist in harmony. From historic temples to towering skyscrapers, from traditional tea ceremonies to high-tech marvels, Tokyo offers an adventure like no other. So pack your bags, open your mind, and get ready to explore the magic of Tokyo. Until next time, sayonara.